Hello guys, welcome back.
No, this is where the
We're
magic
in
happens.
some abandoned back rooms of Subway in Plymouth, joined by the Unveiled Brothers.
No, there's no way that leads to it.
It just smells like Subway, yeah. Subway stuff down there. Okay, this is quite big. We'll put theirs links in description, of course.
It just looks like a student.
No water.
It looks like beans.
There's a folder there.
There's a comic in there.
That's actually
So today we're doing an unboxing.
Storage room.
Today we have a camera.
that's actually
If
interesting.
we plug this in, we can record people.
Yeah. These are really old. Get rid of the connectors.
Then
These are like pre-2000s stuff.
we've got vouchers.
Couches.
Those of Amazon gift card.
Oh, no, it just looks like.
Oh,
Subway
here's
or
the. Do
something.
you want me to film the balcony?
I have a kitchen through here. Smelly fridge. Nothing. Is there water in here? Tabs don't even work.
Get that. Could you try again?
I didn't ask for you, Siri, mate. Okay, no.
Oh, this is like a nice office complex right here.
With a kitchen at the end.
Nice.
Boxes of paperwork in here. Won't go through that in case it's got personal details on.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Harvey's getting back in the closet.
Hello.
Other one.
Wait. It's not shutting. I want to lock him in.
You can't. There's the Dave.
I know. Very weird. This looks like a.
Storage room or
No, this just looks like a fucking psychiatry room right here.
just some form of empty room.
Hi, Harvey.
Got wild Harvey locked in there.
Mira, what do you mean it don't shut? It does
There's a
shut.
Harvey.
Oh, it's a squatter. It's a squatter. It's a squatter.
Oh no!
We need to run. We need to run. We need to run.
Can you not get out?
I can't pump it from here.
He's actually stuck in there. Come on.
Obviously, we're not going to need
Yes, you are. Magic break. We found the wild tea, like.
Something I don't get is these boxes.
It's got the bills in it, bro. It's got the old bill.
Empty room again. This empty room with the balcony. I'm not going out there. Paperwork.
This is actually kind of dangerous to just leave out here. So if we're the wrong people, a lot of people would have like their information just stolen. That's actually crazy. Yeah, for that we have to really gatekeep this place for that. Just in case the wrong hands get into this. What's this actually say? I buy British food. Alright. Let's have a look at the final room then, shall we?
Sorry
I'm
guys.
doing some cinematics, I might as well do that as well.
I'm doing bits of everything. Subway merch again or stuff in a bag.
It just seems to use only bags.
More paperwork.
I don't think I might need my headlamp for this. I'll just put it up here for the sake of this. Oh, we didn't go down that door. Did we go down that? Oh yeah, we did. It's got nothing in it. Oh, I know. I'll do that one here in a couple. Got dead plants up here. It looks quite recent though, that's the thing.
What's through the staff only door?
I noticed they didn't even go in here.
Staff only toilets. Not smashed up.
Oh, it smells like Devon's toilets.
The mould.
That's the thing, it actually smells like Devon's toilet.
The mould everywhere. Scary, scary.
Oh, wow. Black water right there.
What?
Black water.
Lovely.
Yeah, look at me, I look like an anglerfish. Got a light on my head.
I work here, so you can't tell me off for being here. The high vis proves it all. Please close the door. Okay, I will. More plants. Oh no, guys, we're on camera.
Oh no. Are we? Scary.
No, it's not plugged in.
Oh, yeah, it's the one hanging down, isn't it? Down that door, yeah. This is...
More plants on the left here.
We've gone down the ladder in the hole. In the kitchen.
Into some random room. Boring.
Babe, I need to get water.
Yes. I need to buy water, people. Hello. What the hell are they
Straight out
from?
of fucking Prison Break right here.
What the
That's
fuck?
dangerous.
Oh, that shit straight out of Prison Break.
It fucking smells.
Theodore Bagwell's probably...
Yeah.
What is down
Oh,
there?
there's cobwebs everywhere.
What's down there?
Shit's out of Prison
No
Break.
way. He's just a wall.
Oh, it leads nowhere.
Oh no.
It leads nowhere.
It genuinely leads to nothing.
It's just a wall. What the fuck?
Oh yeah. That's just a wall, guys. Bit random.
That actually stinks, man.
Pongy in there.
Wipe my back.
There's like rotten like fiberglass in there as well.
Thank you.
You've got a bit of stain.
Wait, how bad?
Not that bad.
What colour?
Like that.
Oh no.
Like that.
Hmm? Oh, that's anti-climb paint. I
You
got
go.
that from climbing into the heat.
Miro. Miro.
Oh, yeah.
I have checked all the others. I didn't bother with these because all the others were empty. I just presumed, yeah. These would be the same.
These guys are really trying to save those trees now by checking all the cupboards.
Might as well check while we're here.
I mean, what is even down that? There's installation instructions or something.
Why would it be such a secure lock for when there's nothing in there?
I mean, I guess
And the
it's
ladder
storage.
leads to nothing.
It could be storage or whatever the fuck's down that ladder, man. Being smelly as hell.
Mold.
Alright, got a view of the outside. But we might want to gatekeep this place just because it's got really big personal information on those things.
You should get on with full cinematic at the stairs.
I already did on the way. I don't know what I'm showing outside the window if I'm going to be cutting that out anyways.
What's that fucking sound?
Something outside town, mate.
Oh yeah, me and Archie hung that camera onto that door.
Oh.
I see, intriguing. Oh, wow.
The
Pink
mold.
mold.
What the fuck? It's gay
That's
mold.
even worse than black mold.
Or it's female mold.
It's fucking
The
queef
mold.
It's queef mold.
Beef mold.
Yeah. Alright.
No, I don't like that.
What are you trying to open?
No, you need to get downstairs.
Guys, look, it's queef mold.
This entire thing.
Are you like me that like it?
This place has just got bags.
Downstairs is scary.
I think
Yes, it is.
Bro, there's some cobwebs here.
that's just because of the door and everyone could just hear us.
Right, guys, that is all of it for now, I believe. So, we will see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.